It might be a monkey. Yes.
She not gone yet.
I just heard my sister-in-law getting half pissed because she thought she was going to get the name the race truck. Now here's the deal. I looked at the notepad and that's when she kind of grimaced. What do you think of that for the name? She gone!
She gone.
You hear that shit in my videos all the time? And the reason is that guy right there. He's the one who started me on that.
She gone.
She gone.
Bye-bye.
Drop something in the comments if you think that this truck, this race truck, with that great big 565, if she should be named She Gone. All right, you guys. It's not in the truck, not running. It's what I was kind of hoping to see, but here's a look at my bro's 565 stroker engine that he got just sent back from AJ Automotive in Melbourne Square, Nova Scotia. This thing made, what was it,
1100 horsepower, yeah. 7,800 RPM.
Ooh-wee. What's the torque?
806 foot-pounds at 6,300.
So that might spin some tires.
It's got rare Morrison heads. The Raptor 2s. The port size in there.
Oh man,
massive.
clean grade out.
15-to-1 compression ratio. Runs C25 race fuel.
Dry sump kit this time around.
Yeah, dry sump oiling. Try to get it to live longer. Turbo rods.
So that's the oil pump right there.
Yeah.
The aluminum or steel rods?
Steel rods.
Yeah.
Should be good for more passes than the aluminum rods. It's going to be in a mud truck, so it's going to take heavy abuse. So.
Yeah, and he's still working on that. That's why the thing's not in it running, because he's front half in it. And get that thing so she can handle some torque.
Biggest thing is I need to get the engine further back and lower in it, so my center of gravity and weight distribution is proper. So if the engine's sitting normally where a square body would right here, it makes it front heavy. So I'm trying to get it back so I can plant the rear wheels and have the traction I need to get it to go down the tracks.
Well, you should be able to get it a lot lower now that it doesn't have the oil pan on it. Not much of one anyway. What's the story on that rear diff?
It's a strange 9-inch aluminum center section. Richmond Pro gears. They're a little bit softer to take the shock load of leaving the line at 5,500 RPM on the trans brake.
Okay.
We'll have a ladder bar set up in it. It'll be a leaf sprung truck just because of the classes that I have to run in. I want to keep it leaf sprung, but
Shackle flip.
the only thing really left is the frame from my Blazer. Well, 3/4 of the frame. The rest
Yeah.
of it's truck that I pulled out of the back.
Get her caged up so she's cert. Put some body metal in her and send it.
Running a Racing in the Dirt transfer case.
I've never seen one of those before.
29 pounds. Chain drive, double 60 chain. Really lightweight. I went from a Turbo 400 to this Reed 2-speed glide. Also massive weight reduction.
Yeah, man, they are stubby. What'd you say the stall was for this? 55?
Yeah. Brand new TCS torque converter. These guys, I sent them a torque converter, and in 3 days they sent me one back. Super quick turnaround.
Since we're here, I just want to go through this. This is
Survivor 250R Honda 1985.
and what a unit.
All original parts. The only thing that isn't original is the oil plug. This twist throttle was an add-on.
Yeah, would have had a thumb throttle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I had to buy this as an aftermarket front fender, but I have an original one coming. The guy that I bought it from wiped it out, and that's how he decided he was selling it.
So what's that, like an aftermarket, like a Mayer one or something?
Yes, it is. It's exactly what it is, but I don't like it. It doesn't, the color isn't right. And
Yeah, it's a little redder than orange.
It's a little dirty right now because I do drive it.
Look at that Pro Link. Yes, sir! The old square swing arm. I love that shit.
It is pretty cool
Right?
Mix it 20 to 1. It's pretty thick with oil and fuel.
Yeah, well, it helps save it.
Well, that's what you're supposed to.
Yeah.
Right here it says.
Yeah, a lot of people go leaner than that, but 20 to 1, there's a lot less chance of having it get to bed.
Factory recommendation.
I always used to mix 20 to 1, all the 2 strokes we had growing up. Smokes a little more, but lasts a little longer. Mm-hmm. Oh, smell that 2-stroke. Yes, sir.